Welcome to Chapter 1, Ideas. In this chapter, we're looking at how societies create and use ideas about gender. One of the most powerful ideas is the gender binary. This is the belief that there are only two types of people: masculine men assigned male at birth, and feminine women assigned female at birth. Alongside the binary, we also deal with stereotypes. Stereotypes are fixed, oversimplified, and often distorted ideas about groups of people. They shape expectations and behaviors even when they don't reflect reality. Now, let's talk about gender identity and bodies. Your gender identity is your personal sense of your own gender. When that matches the sex you were assigned at birth, we call it cisgender. But human bodies are more diverse than a simple binary. For example, intersex people are born with anatomy that doesn't fit typical definitions of male or female. We also have transgender and non-binary identities. Transgender describes people whose gender identity is different from their sex assigned at birth. Non-binary is a broad category for people who are both man and woman, or neither. Some people describe themselves as gender fluid, meaning their identity shifts over time. For many, gender-affirming care helps align their physical body with their gender identity. There are also cultural expressions like drag. Drag queens and drag kings are usually cisgender people who dress and perform as the other gender. Next, let's look at ideologies. An ideology is a set of ideas widely shared by a society that guides behavior and institutions. Gender ideologies are the shared beliefs about how men and women are and how they should be. These beliefs influence family life, politics, work, and education. Finally, let's step back and look at the binary itself. The gender binary is a social construct. That means it's an interpretation of reality that's arbitrary but still powerful. Social construction is the process of attaching ideas to objects, building concepts into each other, and shaping our world. Think of it like wearing gender binary glasses. Through these lenses, everything we see gets separated into masculine or feminine. Through gender binary subdivision, we slice categories into smaller and smaller degrees of masculinity and femininity. Our brains also play a role. Through associative memory, ideas get linked together. When we think about one idea, another automatically comes up. This is why stereotypes can be so sticky. And finally, cultural competence is our ability to navigate society using the shared ideas and behaviors of our culture. But just like glasses, these lenses can blur our vision and leave us with blind spots. So in this chapter, we explored the big ideas that frame our conversations about gender, the binary, identities, ideologies, and the social construction process. Keep these concepts in mind. They will help you recognize the lenses we all wear and how they shape the way we see the world.